Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a 2 years and I was not posting anything. Of course, from the thumbnail, you get an idea that this is going to be a real real life update. Let's talk about it. So, I was preparing for my CA intermediate exams and I have given a couple of attempts. Just before my last attempt, I had a feeling that I don't want to continue this anymore. And this is very normal. This is very normal for every CA students. Before the exam, we feel that I don't want to continue this anymore and this is going to be my last attempt. But it was different for me. So when I started doing CA, it was my dream. Like many of us, I really wanted to become CA. But the more I went in depth, studying, learning, interning, I started seeing the practical life of practicing CA. I saw a bigger picture. Like, this isn't me. It wasn't like I couldn't do it. Like, I already completed my bachelor's, I was already doing my master's, and very sincerely preparing for my C intermediate exams, and very few marks away to clear C inter exams. But during that time, I started feeling disconnected with the course. This is something like it no longer felt like the life I wanted. Yeah. So I finally asked myself that will this career make you happy for a long time? And my honestly answer was no. It's raining outside और मेरा वीडियो गंदा हो रहा है, but it's okay. So that's when I started exploring. I started giving interviews to see the options out there. See, I am an extrovert person and I love to do communicating with the people. And at the same time, I had a strong foundation of taxation accounting like subject because of my CA background. So when I found a role where I can work with the US client, like to communicating with them, to explain them a taxation, accounting, financing strategies, and it was just a click that it was a perfect mix of communication and technical. And also getting a weekend off so I can do something more than my 9 to 5. So now I am working with the KPO, handling US clients, learning every single day, and genuinely enjoying it. Just after joining a corporate, I have cleared my CA intermediate exams, but I was very clear with my mind that I don't want to continue with CA finals. Of course, plan to study, but chosen CPA. It really complements my current role perfectly and also opens doors to international opportunities. And pay scale is also good because we are working with the dollar paying clients. But let me be clear, I'm not saying that CA pays less. It completely depends on person, like their skill, mindset, everything. Leaving CA wasn't easy for me. It was not just a career change. Like it was letting go of something for which I had worked hard for 3-4 years. It took my everything, my sleepless nights, time, energy, everything. And that decision didn't come lightly. And you know what? I feel sometimes we start a career because of others' appreciation, society, our own expectations, our parents, social pressure, and not just because it truly excited us. And that's where I was stuck. CA is incredible course and I have learned a lot of things from that. Discipline, patience, a deep understanding of accounting, finance, taxation, and I am using those lessons in my like every single day in my personal professional life. I don't regret it all. CA was a big chapter of my life and I am genuinely grateful that I have started that journey. CA gave me a strong foundation and helped me to get where I am today. But I also knew I don't want to build a future in something that didn't align with who I am. So today I'm in a role where I get to do what I love. Working with the global clients, communicating with them every day using my financial skills in a very meaningful manner. I explain, guide, convince. It's a perfect mixture of both communication and my technical skills. and I am genuinely grateful and happy in this job. And of course, this is just a beginning. I'm still learning, growing, and expanding myself, and it has endless opportunities. So, if you are feeling stuck, if you are afraid that you won't love the job you are working towards, please give yourself pause and think. It won't be easy. It wasn't for me either. But I promise, if you take that one right step, it will be worth it. And please, I am not saying that please leave CA and don't do it. Of course not. It's completely depend on your mindset and personality. I was just talking about my things, my personality, and my personal life, my personal stuff. So if you are feeling something like me and you have that personality, then you can think about it. You are allowed to change your path. It's not easy, but it's brave. And I feel it's okay to restart from anywhere when you feel stuck. But please, I am not saying that leave CA and don't do it or something like that. I am just saying that if you won't love the job you are working towards, please don't do it. Yeah, this was my personal story, and this was the reason why I left CA. And that's all. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. It's 3 a.m. Now I need to sleep. Bye bye.